Now, key to this whole thing, I think, 1031 exchange success is finding off-market deals. All right. And this is where working with a broker really can help out. And a lot of investors think, oh, I don't want to work with brokers. But all the top investors I know work with brokers. They can do their own thing as well, but they work with brokers primarily to find them deals. Okay. But even if you don't work with brokers, and a lot of successful investors have their own system for finding, they don't only rely on other brokers. All right. So here's the biggest thing though. You need to start this process before you're finding off market deals before you sell the current asset. Very, very important. Whether it's off market deals or whatever, you need to start now before you sell. It's very important here. Now, a couple do's and don'ts out here. First, yes, reach out to a commercial broker, an investment broker. All right. Now, particularly when I say commercial brokers here, there's some commercial brokers may only do institutional type deals or only do leasing. That may not be the guy or gal for you. You need a broker that is an investment broker, right? Unless you're selling a business purpose property. And maybe that person is a corporate investment broker or corporate broker and they do corporate properties. Maybe that works for you. We're talking investments. You need an investment broker. All right. Now, you don't have to commit to this broker, only working with them, but you certainly want to reach out to the top brokers. And the reason you want to do that is top brokers are going to have properties we have listed. And we're going to have 3 or 4 at least properties that we're working on getting listed, or we have the listing agreements and we're preparing them for sale. Or we have talked to the sellers and they're like, yeah, well, I don't want to list right now. I do want to sell. If you got somebody, bring it to me. Any broker worth their salt has at least 3 or 4 of those deals. That's why you want to tap into those guys. All right. And these are the professionals who are pounding the pavement every single day of the week. Like it's me. I got 22 agents. We're cold calling, we're emailing, we're marketing, we're doing whatever it takes to bring deals to the table to our clients. Right. That's why you want to reach out to a commercial investment broker. What you don't want to do is limit yourself to what's on the internet. A lot of newbie investors do this. Oh, it's on LoopNet, it's on CoStar, it's on MLS, it's on Redfin. That's cool. That's a snapshot. But like in commercial investment properties, half the deals don't even make it there. So you don't want to limit yourself to half the marketplace. Very, very important. I won't spend too much time on this. Now, I got another video I just released about finding off-market deals where I go into some of the actual websites that we use and strategies that we use to actually find off-market deals. That's available for free on YouTube. Check that out. But reach out to the broker community and pound the pavement yourself as well. Do not just look for what's on the internet. All right.